Hey, I'm Andrea, and today we'll be reading illustrated Norse myths. Stories of Thor. Thor, god of thunder, never backed down from a fight, whether against the most terrifying monster or the surliest of giants. His enemies feared the power of his magical hammer, Mjolnir. But even without it, Thor was a force to be reckoned with. A grand feast was fast approaching, and Odin had a task for his son, Thor. Go to the shining sea of Asgard, he ordered, and seek out the god Aegir. He's the only one who can brew enough mead for us all. Thor rubbed his hands with glee. He loved mead, a delicious drink made with honey. But when he found Aegir, the god laughed at him. It's true, I mix the best mead in the 9 realms, he bragged. But to make enough for everyone, I'll need a pot bigger than you. Where am I going to find a pot that size? Grumbled Thor. That's not my problem, is it? Snorted the god. Now go away, and don't come back until you find one. Thor scowled at Aegir and trudged back to Valhalla, where the other gods were preparing the feast. I'm going to need help, he thought. He marched into the hall, waving his arms to attract attention. Who will join me on a great and worthy quest, he boomed. What quest, Thor? Asked Frey, excited. Is there a dragon to slay? Or a maiden to rescue? Not as such. So, do you think a quest for a pot is an exciting quest? And have you heard of Thor before and his magical hammer, Mjolnir?